complete restoration of bones, tendons, joints and total elimination of pain. The major reason for the appearance of pain in the back, legs and joints can't be improper posture, according to scientists. Therefore, in case you suffer from constant pain in the back, wrists, legs, and neck, the first change that you must do, as soon as possible, is to improve your body posture. We will reveal an effective home remedy which restores the health of bones, joints, and tendons. All you need is 150 grams of edible gelatin. This high-quality cure provides a wide range of health benefits, as it increases elasticity, strengthens ligaments and tendons, it protects from osteoporosis and osteoarthritis, it improves mental abilities, it strengthens joints and heart muscle, helps in the treatment of dysplasia, it improves skin and hair structure, it speeds up metabolism, it improves complexion. Procedure: in the evening, mix 2 tablespoons of organic gelatin with 50 milliliters of cold water and leave the mixture overnight at room temperature. The gelatin will turn into jelly. The next morning, stir it and consume the mixture mixed in your tea, juice, milk, or yogurt. After a week, you will experience considerable pain relief. Repeat the procedure every day for a month, and the pain will disappear completely. Then, make a pause of 6 months. In this way, you will restore the natural joint lubrication.